Do you know about Buddhist meditation, mindfulness technique? Mindfulness meditation is the practice of intentionally focusing on the present moment, accepting and non-judgmentally paying attention to the sensations, thoughts, and emotions that arise. Sit on a cushion on the floor, or on a chair, with straight and unsupported back. Pay close attention to the movement of your breath. When you breathe in and out, be aware that you are breathing in and out. Or you can move on to be paying attention to the sensations, thoughts and feelings that arise. The effort is to not intentionally add anything to our present moment experience, but to be aware of what is going on, without losing ourselves in anything that arises. Your mind will get distracted into going along with sounds, sensations, and thoughts. Whenever that happens, gently recognize that you have been distracted, and bring the attention back to the breathing. Or to the objective noticing of that thought or sensation. There is a big difference between being inside the thought or sensation and simply being aware of its presence. Learn to enjoy your practice. Once you are done, appreciate how different the body and mind feel. There is also the practice of mindfulness daily life, while eating, walking, and talking. For this meditation, the practice is to pay attention to what is going on in the present moment during the day, to be aware of what is happening so you avoid living in automatic mode. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. See us next time.